everyone? This is Izzy down here at the world famous Tampa Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to show you this 2019 Road Glide Special, black on black, what I like to refer to as the Batman bike. Blacked out front end, dual floating rotors, powder coated everything. We're going to have ABS as standard, security as standard, the Boom GTS as standard, Boom GTS, Apple CarPlay compatible, super user friendly. The operating system's twice as fast. We're gonna have the stretch saddlebags, easy one-touch bags, 114 motor with our own little twist on it. We've actually built this bike to a stage 3, so we've upgraded the intake, thrown a cam in there, upgraded the exhaust. One of our master mechanics has tuned it on the dyno, got some phenomenal numbers, which we'll put in the description below. Come on down, see this bad boy in person, take it for a rip.